From getting dragged out over a single weed roach.
Why are y'all
You're resisting. Get out of the car.
Why are y'all pulling me down? I'm not. Y'all are pulling.
To stuffing narcotics in a toddler's pants mid-stop.
You just do. Nope, we're not playing that. Stand up.
Excuse me?
Stand up.
I'm sorry.
Okay, baby, relax. It's okay.
And slurring through a DUI while arguing gender and seizures.
You're a female. I'm a female. You're a male. Hands on me. No, you put your hands on me. What are you doing? Hands on me. What do I have to identify as? I'm not a female and he's a male.
Today we watch these Karens learn you can't argue with cuffs. Let's dive in.
Stop pulling me out the car.
Your hand behind your back.
Get in the car. Ma'am, get in.
I said you had no right.
Police conduct a traffic stop on a truck with only a single taillight.
Hello.
It was a dog that looked like Rocco in the road. And I didn't want to run him over, so I swerved to the right. And it was a car on the other in that lane.
Ma'am.
But I didn't want to hit the dog.
Ma'am, hi.
Hello.
How are you? Do you have your driver's license and insurance on you?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you mind just rolling your window down for me for my partner over there? The reason why I stopped is you only have one tail light.
Oh, no.
Okay. Is this your car?
No.
Okay.
My parking lot. My parking lot.
Yeah. Can you mind just rolling? Do you mind just rolling your back window down for me, please? Thank you, because we can't see it all in the car. Appreciate it.
My parking lot.
Thank you. Gino.
One officer detects the smell of marijuana.
Where is it?
My boyfriend's car.
Okay. When was the last time you smoked marijuana in the car? Okay. Do you have a medical marijuana card?
No, he does.
Okay.
I don't smoke.
Okay. Is there any marijuana in the car right now? Because I can smell it. Okay. All right. Just hang tight here with my partner, all right?
What is that right there? Roaches? But that's what we smell properly.
Do you mind just handing me that roach, please? Appreciate it. Thank you. I'll be right back.
Oh, those are the tail lights? Can I have your phone? It's okay for me to have it? All right, 2006 Dodge Ram. All right. Thank you. Appreciate it.
I can park right here.
You can probably, when we are done, you can probably just back up and it's better.
All right, can you do me a favor? Can you just shut off your car for me? I'm just gonna have you step out real quick, okay? Anything else in the car that you want to tell me about?
No.
Okay.
But why am I stepping out?
So we're gonna search the vehicle now based on the odor that I'm getting and the fact that you had a burned blunt right there.
You can't search
Okay.
my vehicle.
I absolutely can, and I am going to. So I'm gonna have you exit the car.
You can't search the vehicle.
I'm gonna have you exit the
Just
car.
hang up the phone because he's giving you instructions.
Where we're not like
He's not giving me
we're past that.
instructions.
Okay.
I know that already.
I'm gonna have you
She's not going to like what comes next.
just open the door.
You can't unlock my vehicle.
Yes, I can.
No, you cannot.
Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that.
You cannot. Why are y'all
You're resisting. Get out of the car.
Why are y'all
Get out of the
putting me
car.
out the car, bro?
Get out of the
Why
car.
are y'all putting y'all
Get
hands
out of the
on
car.
me? Okay.
Get out of the car.
Like, y'all
Now.
not giving me a
Now.
chance to get out the car.
Get out of the
Bro,
car.
I'm not-
Get out of the car.
Why are y'all pulling me down?
Stop
What the
resisting.
I'm not. Y'all are pulling me out the
Put your hand behind your
car.
back. Put the hand
What
behind
the
your back.
fuck? I'm
Put the
not
hand behind your back.
resisting.
Yes.
I am not resisting. Y'all pull me
Stop
out of my
resisting. You're
vehicle.
resisting
I am
right now.
not resisting.
Yes, we asked you to step out. And you said that you
What do
wouldn't.
you mean? All I had to do was get out of
Put
the
your
car.
phone
You
down.
pulled the door open, ma'am. What do you mean?
1-3. 1-2.
Can I have my phone? Can I have my phone,
No,
please?
you cannot have your phone right now.
This is harassment, ma'am.
This is not harassment.
Yes, this is harassment, ma'am. No,
Several
I did not
times.
say no. I said you had no right.
We
to
were
search
here.
the
We got
vehicle.
cameras. We have everything.
You said you had. I said you had no right to search the
Yeah,
vehicle.
we have the right.
No, you do
And
not.
we told you that.
do
Okay.
not have a probable
You can
cause.
take it to court.
Get in the
I
car.
am a female,
Ma'am,
though.
get in the car. You're not listening again. You're not listening.
Then the boyfriend arrives and suddenly an expert on the law.
Why are y'all in my truck? Explain to me. Why is my fiance outside of my truck? Explain to me, please.
You want to wait a little bit and then we'll talk to you?
Why is she on arrest? She
Okay.
did not
Hey,
resist. Y'all had no right to go in my truck.
Just wait a minute.
Y'all
we'll
need to
talk to you in a
explain
minute.
this to
Okay.
me. Why is she under arrest?
First of all,
y'all
we
should
don't-
have detained her. I know my rights.
Okay, we don't need to explain anything to you, first of all. We don't have to. We don't have to tell you anything, all right?
Everything. Why y'all didn't issue a ticket? She lived right here. She's on my insurance.
Just give us a minute, all right?
Okay, I'm going to give you a minute, but I want proper answers.
Okay,
please.
yeah,
and what's your badge number and your
1835, and it's Carter. But 1980 Dell. If you just give us a minute,
I'm going to talk to you.
We'll talk to you, okay? Thank you. I appreciate it.
I want you to legally justify and explain everything, because I heard everything and I have it recorded on the phone.
That's fine. Yeah,
and
we're also recording everything.
Y'all body cameras?
Yeah, we're recording everything. We'll also, you might want to get your transmission checked out after this.
I know about the law.
He honestly doesn't know Pennsylvania v.
I don't think he does.
That says that we can order anyone out of a vehicle for all safety purposes. And they don't have the right to refuse.
And I'm going to put the lawyer on the situation. I'm not playing. I work. I'm going to drop the money. I'm not playing. Y'all got the wrong one. Y'all should have detained her, which y'all should have did instead of pulling her out. Y'all talk to her. Y'all don't unlock no fucking trunk and pull her out. Come on, y'all just violated her rights. Stop playing, bro. No order in me.
Seriously, you want me to... What's your badge? 1650. 1650. Hughes. Okay, she was stopped for traffic violation. She had weed in the car. That gives us the right to search the car. Also, Supreme Court case Pennsylvania v. Mims gives us the right to remove anyone from a vehicle for officer safety purposes. You cannot refuse. If you refuse, it's obstruction. Okay? So Supreme Court case says we're allowed to do that. And there was weed in the car. That's why the car is being searched.
Did you explain that to her? Because I heard her asking you and you didn't explain that to her. I
wasn't here for the traffic stop. I'm just explaining to you what I was told when I got here by the officers.
On the body cam footage, it'll show they proceeded to unlock the truck instead of explaining to her. Someone who unknowingly don't know the law.
What I was told was that she was on the phone with you, right, and they asked her to step out because there was marijuana in the car, and you told her on the phone no.
No, they ain't say nothing about marijuana.
They ain't say nothing about it?
Well, then how did they not? Because she handed them the roach.
Why did they force you to take her out of the car?
Because she refused to get out on her own.
Because she refused to get out.
Yep, that's obstruction.
So they opened the car.
Yes.
And they took her out.
Yes.
Because she refused.
Yes.
Everything Supreme, that y'all saying will play back on the
case law says we're allowed to do that. Pennsylvania.
So when I tried to open your door, you almost shut the door on my hand several times, to where my partner felt it unsafe for you to no longer sit in that truck because we didn't know what you were up to. I absolutely had a right to search your vehicle, and I explained to you why. And you still acted that way. I don't know why you just didn't exit the vehicle. We would have been done by now.
You didn't give me the opportunity.
Yes, I did, ma'am.
Violate my
That's
rights.
not true. I gave you every opportunity to get.
The driver pleaded guilty to obstructing an officer and entered a court-ordered work program in June 2025. 6 months later, she was arrested again, this time for aggravated domestic battery with a deadly weapon, after allegedly confronting her boyfriend with 2 knives. The case is still active, and, without keeping everyone waiting too long, we will immediately move on to the second situation.
Or she's reaching in his pockets.
Hey, relax. It's okay.
On the 6th of June, 2023, officers stopped a car with no tags. What they didn't expect was the mother planting drugs in her kid's pocket.
Hey.
Hey, Mr. Smith, it's Steven.
Who?
Steven.
Okay.
Talked to you a couple times.
Okay. You don't have a tag on your trailer.
But there is a tag.
There is one for it.
If you put in Jerry William Howard II.
Okay, well, see, I don't have a crystal ball, and if there's no tag on it, then I can't make heads or tails of it.
Yes, sir.
So there's not a tag on the vehicle, on the trailer
yes,
at all.
It fell off.
You got your license on you?
No, sir, I don't.
I'm driving because I hurt my hand.
You hurt your hand? You're able to eat though.
Yeah, but I can't do like this. But I had to.
You got your driver's license?
No, sir, I don't have one.
You don't have a driver's license? All right, step out for us.
Can you roll this window?
Is there anything illegal in the vehicle?
No, sir.
Any illegal narcotics?
No,
anything
sir.
like that?
Just the kids.
There's kids in there?
Yes, sir.
I didn't see any kids.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So do y'all have a show?
They're just documenting us, what we do.
Now, attention turns to the woman.
When I walked up there, she reached underneath the seat or something. 99's on his way.
Okay. How many youngs is in the car?
I got two.
Okay. Well, y'all would step out.
But yeah. Hey, your shoes. Your shoes. Am I able to use the bar?
When we get done, you step over here, buddy. Hey, she's sitting on a pipe.
Yeah, I knew she put something under there.
Sorry, it's really, really dirty.
Yeah.
I don't have a vacuum because right now, like, we're working on getting power on our property.
Philip, she was hiding something. It was a box full. Ugh. You ever need a spare tooth? That's gross. Residue in that straw?
I don't know, but it's worth checking for sure.
She was hiding that. What she was doing, I scared her. She didn't see me standing where I was at. I asked her if she had anything on her, and she kind of looked away. So, you able to walk back here real quick? Yep. You can bring your popcorn.
31, 10-4 check.
We're just gonna go in front of this gold car. I'm super easygoing. Okay. I know. As long as you're honest with me, I can work with you. If you lie to me, there ain't nothing I can do for you, okay? So, with that being said, there is a female coming out here. Do you have anything on you that's going to get you in trouble?
No.
You don't have anything in your bra? Nothing in your pants?
No.
Okay. She's going to come out here and check.
Okay.
So, I just didn't want you to lie and go to charge, okay?
Right.
All right. You can hang out back up here.
Yeah.
Little girl wants to go to bed.
Mama wants to let them go in there by themselves. If they can go in there by themselves, no, we can't let you. Okay, well, just hang tight for just a minute. I can't let you go in there right now. I'd buy you grab this stuff. I'm gonna go test that straw.
653-512-05.
I know who you are. You ain't made the good choices, have you? No, you're not. No, you're not. If you got drug and illegal narcotics in you, you're not working on your life except making it worse. So don't kid yourself. We're not trying to be mean or disrespectful, but we wouldn't be in this situation. We wouldn't be in this situation if you were driving, and if you had a tag on a vehicle and you didn't have.
I had this trailer for a year, and no one spoke with me about a tag. And I gave you the name to show you it was legal.
That name went in this steering right out this one because I was dealing with other things. Okay.
Don't mind, man.
Officers bring in a female deputy to conduct the search, but before that happens, she makes her move. She slips a hand into her waistband and quietly tucks something into her child's pants.
She's reaching in her pocket right now. Or she's reaching in his pocket. Yeah, she's reaching in her waistband. What'd you just do? Nope, we're not playing that. Stand up.
Excuse me?
Stand up.
Ma'am, stand up.
Stand up.
Stand up.
Check his back of his waistband.
If you just put something in him, he's going to be taken away from you. Did you or did you not?
No.
You didn't put anything in his pants.
This coin purse. Honey, I gotta get this out, okay?
Are you kidding me? Really? Are you kidding me? Do not reach up.
Turn around. Turn around, put your hands behind your back. I didn't ask you. I told you to put your hands behind your back.
Philip, take her over there, please. She just put that in his pants.
I'm sorry.
It's okay, baby, relax. It's okay. Okay, hey, listen. Stop. Hey, listen, do you have anything else on you?
No, ma'am.
Okay, listen, face the car. Okay?
Ma'am.
I gotta search you. You nothing that's gonna poke or stick me, right?
Hey, sweetie. Hey, sit right here for me. Hey, what's your name? Hey, just calm down, baby. This ain't your fault. Okay? I'm talking to her. Calm down for me, okay?
No, I didn't know. Stop talking. Yes, sir. The whole coercion of telling her what to say, well, right there just a second ago.
I said it'll be
you
okay,
said come out of your mouth. No, you said if they happen to ask, and then you told her what to say. That's coercion.
I swear to God, I didn't.
No.
I said if
no.
If you go to
and you want to know why there's a test kit on the hood?
Yes.
Because the straw that was in your seat tested positive for means. That's why.
Really?
So you're probably going to jail too. I mean, if they're stuffing stuff down kids' pants.
Not there, sir. I told him not to do that.
No, the girl.
Just sit in there for right now.
Yeah, I cannot believe it. She was watching me. As soon as you pulled up, I watched her put it in the back of his pants. What the f***, Jimmy? She pulled it out of her pants and put it in his pants. I hate when people involve like that.
Man, I hate I got an attitude with you, but that really pisses me off when you start diving off into kids with stuff like that. That's ridiculous.
I told her no. I'm sorry, sir.
Well, if she's why are you gonna get her out of jail?
She's my children. You know I got you.
Yeah, and you see what she's.
I'm sorry.
Can I call her to come and get us?
You can call her. Here,
Can I call her to come and get us?
Absolutely.
I watched her. As soon as Jesse pulled up, I watched her. She took it out of her pants and put it in his pants. What would you do?
They get Grandma on the phone. She's on the way to pick up the kids.
Well, they were on a traffic stop, but Mom had put something. Honestly, I'm not really sure what all that entails, but yeah, that's what it's kind of looking like. But if you want to come up here and we can talk with you, and then we can get them sorted out, okay? Okay, yes, ma'am. I appreciate it.
Hold on, baby.
Okay, here you go.
Hello?
She's on her way, honey. When your grandma gets here, we'll just talk to her and let her know everything that's going on, and then she can take you, okay?
Ain't getting no darker than that. Nope.
He's going too.
Sorry, I'm over there.
Yes. For what? For the possession of that.
I didn't have that. I didn't even know that was there. I was just real.
Have a seat.
I was honest and everything was honest.
Have a seat.
Can the kids have my money, please? Are they?
We'll talk about that in a minute. Just have a seat for a little bit.
What was on the change purse?
Big old thing. Probably the darkest test kit I've ever seen.
Officer Smith, I do not.
That's a positive test.
Well, sir, I do not.
Okay. Well, it was in that little. That was a little heart in the little box.
Yes, but.
And that's what it says. That one good?
Yeah. Hey, if that's her straw, how y'all?
All right, have a seat.
It was in my seat?
Yes.
Even if she says it's hers?
Yes. Have a seat.
Man.
The woman was charged with felony possession and child endangerment. The man was charged with drug possession. What a stubborn Karen, right? Stay tuned because the next Karen reacts even more aggressively.
No, you put your hands on me. What are you?
Want to search you?
May I get my providers? He made a U-turn.
The 29th of January, 2025, an officer initiates a traffic stop in Florida after a woman runs a stop sign.
Huh? You have a deputy. I'm standing in front of you. Step out of the vehicle.
For sure.
Do you have your information?
I don't need to give it to you.
Yes, you do. Why would you not?
Because I came after you and you came to make a...
Okay, step to the front of my car.
I could.
No, you will.
I could.
Go. To the front of my car. Go.
Now you're making me uncomfortable.
That's fine. Go to the front of my car.
I can't do that, sir.
Yes, you can.
Officer, you're putting your hands on me. Officer, you're putting your hands on me.
Sit right there.
You're a male.
Sit right there.
You're a male. I'm a
Sit
female.
right there.
You're a female. I'm a female. You're a male.
How do you know?
I'm a female.
How do you know what I identify as?
Exactly, but Trump
42694.
That is...
Sit down.
You're making me uncomfortable.
Sit. I don't care. Sit down.
No.
Where's your identification?
No.
Where's your driver's license,
No.
registration, and your proof of insurance?
No.
You've made this so much more difficult than it needs to be.
Because you came and made a U-turn in front of me, and you came after me and turned around. I
turned around because you committed a violation of Florida state statute. It does not matter if it is a yellow light.
Yes, it is.
I have explained to you why you were pulled over. I want your driver's license, registration.
And then you just put your hands on me.
I did put my hands on you because you're refusing to give me your information, and I'm not going to allow you to sit in that car.
I'm not, officer.
You don't operate this. I'm in charge. Do you understand me?
I'm so complying, officer.
Sit down.
No. Because you
then how are you complying? I did.
You put your hands on me.
I did because you failed to follow a lawful
I can take
order.
my shirt off as a woman. You need to identify as a male. I'm a female, and you just put your hands on me.
I did because you are failing to produce your
identification. I did not, officer. I did not, officer.
Okay.
You just put your hands on me.
When I asked you,
officer,
driver's license, registration, proof of insurance.
No.
Where's your driver's license?
You put your hands on me.
Where's your driver's license?
Put your hands on me.
Where is your driver's license?
Hands on me.
Where is your driver's license?
The officer's patience runs out. She's officially being detained, but it doesn't go smoothly.
No, officer. You put your hands on me. You put your hands on me.
Ma'am, you're being detained.
No, you put your hands on me. What are you doing?
You're being detained.
You put your hands on me. Officer, you put your hands on me. What are you doing?
If you do not comply, I'm going to put you on the ground.
I've been complying.
I'm going to put you on the ground.
You didn't even tell me what you pulled me out of the car.
And put your hands behind your back.
Your hands on me.
Turn around and put your hands behind your back.
I literally have seizures.
Turn
and you're putting your
around and put your hands.
Officer, no, you're putting your hands on me. Officer, you're putting your hands on me.
Step it up.
Officer,
turn around
you're
and put your hands
on me.
behind your back.
Uncomfortable.
Turn around and put your hands behind your back.
You're making me uncomfortable. No, stop, officer. I refuse. Officer, you're hurting me. I didn't do anything. You didn't even ask for my identification.
I did.
No, you didn't, officer. You're hurting me. You're hurting me. Officer, you're hurting me. You're hurting me.
Get your hands behind your back.
Officer, I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything.
Hey, good.
Officer, please.
I got it. Just get on this side. I got it. Guys, listen to me. Just get on this side. Hey, listen. Get on this side. Relax. Relax. Hey, relax. Behind your back. Relax. Relax. I got him. Relax. Let's do it. Relax.
He didn't offer anything.
There's no stop. Relax. Relax. Relax.
I just sat there. He pulled me over. I pulled over. He's hurting me.
Hey, look towards the car. Look towards the car. Look towards the car.
I didn't do anything.
Listen,
here.
You're hurting me.
Let's go ahead and fix this. Here.
You're hurting me.
No, you're fine.
I didn't do anything.
Not hurting you.
Yeah, bro, I didn't do anything.
You're not listening.
I didn't do anything.
Steve, they won't come out.
Right.
Deputy Baker.
Hey.
Deputy Baker, it's Miranda. He literally he stopped me for no reason. I came to a complete stop. He made a U-turn.
Calm down.
And then I came out and he tried to put his hands on me.
Right.
As a woman.
Cooperate. Right,
I'm cooperating and then he tried to put me to the ground.
Okay.
I promise you, Deputy
breath.
Baker.
Take a breath.
I'm trying to take a deep breath.
Okay, you're not cooperating.
I've been cooperating. He tried to put his hands on me.
Hey, just relax.
He did.
Let's go ahead.
Okay. I swear, I've been all my life.
All right. Resisting now is not going to
I'm
do
not
any good.
resisting.
You're all balled up.
Because he hurt me from the get-go. And told me, what do I have to identify as? I'm not a female and he's a male. He was like, how do you know what I identify as?
Calm down.
Hey, do you have any needles or anything on you that's going to poke and stick?
Listen to him.
Easy question. Do you have anything on us?
Do you have anything on you that's going to hurt anybody?
Deputy Baker, I swear on my life, I didn't do nothing wrong.
Answer the question.
He was in his own feelings. I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. I put on my life. I was sitting at the yellow light and I waited for him to stop and I came after him and he made a U-turn on me. I am calm and he hurt my feelings and he upset me and then he put me up. I didn't even say shit. I came out and I was like, no, I refuse because he was being mean to me.
She's clear. I don't know if this got a hoodie or a pocket on.
No, you're wrong and you know it.
That's fine. I've been wrong before.
You've been wrong before.
I know I have.
I know you have. I know him.
Okay.
I know him faithfully and you hurt me. You put your hands on me.
I'm Deputy Thompson now.
No, but you put your hands on me.
I know, because you didn't listen.
No, I didn't listen because you pulled me out of the car and you didn't tell me what I did wrong. You did that and you know you did that.
I did. I just told you.
No.
Okay.
You're not.
Have you just go do what?
I didn't do anything wrong to you. You didn't even try to ask me for my identification.
We're going to sit in here for just a moment.
You literally just pulled me out of the fucking car without telling me anything.
Just turn and sit right here.
The real problem starts to surface. Open beer bottles on the floorboard. The officer smells alcohol on her breath.
It's going to be a simple traffic stop, dude, for fail to stop.
What happened?
I think she's signal 1.
Oh.
I can smell it on her breath while she's yelling at me.
I didn't do nothing. I just was sitting in the car and I waited.
Listen, the good thing about all this information, okay, is that you're going to have your time in court and everything's on body.
I'm already in court.
Well, you're on the side of the road right now. You're not.
No, I have court.
You good?
Yeah, there's an open beer bottle on the floorboard over there, which would confirm. She was smelling it out of her breath while she's talking to me the whole time.
We passed the yellow light. It was a yellow light. I turned my turn signal on.
No.
I turned my turning signal on. I didn't do anything wrong.
Like I said.
And then he just admitted to it.
Okay.
I asked him, can you get out the car? And I was like, what did I do? He was like, "You're a failure to comply," and I was like, "You didn't ask me or tell me anything. You said you made a full U-turn on me, and got in front of cars and all that shit, and I was already turning.
Okay.
I was just going to the store because I lost my phone and I was trying to retract my steps.
Hey, please don't lose that beer bottle. I'm gonna take a picture.
Yeah, no, that's right.
She's sick. Very strong odor.
Oh yeah. And she's got the bloodshot, watery eyes and everything.
She willing?
Yeah, she said she's willing to do it. She's convinced that I stopped her because she went through the yellow light, and I'm like, that's not why we're stopped.
She wants to argue about it instead of listening. So.
Yeah, well, that's my concern right now is if I get her out of this car, she's just going to keep arguing with me, and I don't know how far I'm going to get through these exercises. Because I can tell you, after her resisting me, trying to get cuffs on her, I don't want to take them back off, Sarge. I'll be 100% honest with you.
She's stuck in a loop, arguing, bargaining, and still missing the point.
Hey, Miranda. What the deputy wants you to do is field sobriety exercises.
Okay.
You know what the difference between that and the breathalyzer is?
Yes, what I asked was, is that the probable cause?
The probable cause is a traffic stop and the odor of alcohol.
Right, but
Okay.
he didn't give me the odor of alcohol. He pulled me out of my vehicle because he said I made a traffic violation, but didn't give me the description of that.
We're not going to stand here and debate the reason for this.
I'm not debating that, but I know you know that I've been stopped before, and I've been in the jail because of the hurricane, and I can't go to jail because of bond. So I was very compliant because of that. So there was no reason for me not to be compliant. With that being said, why would I go back to jail knowing that my bond can be revoked and I can go to jail for that?
Going to debate.
I don't know the violation that I committed, is what I'm saying.
He was explaining it to you when you were standing over.
Right. Hello. Yes. Can I please get my sobriety test, please?
Then there to do when you step out for me, I'm gonna search you.
May I get my sobriety test? Like, goddamn, I didn't do shit. What the fuck? I'm not even drunk. I didn't even have one beer.
Well, spare your feet for me.
Y'all are not gonna try to give me a test or what?
Just DUI doesn't just mean alcohol. I mean,
I'm not on nothing. I don't do drugs. What the fuck?
I'm not saying that you do. I'm just saying that
y'all told me y'all were gonna give me a test. I'm like, what the fuck? Where's the test?
Didn't you just refuse?
No, they're trying to confuse me on what the fuck I'm saying. I'm trying to say like I didn't do anything wrong. Is why I'm saying no. I will take a test if I have to prove it.
You'll be able to take a test into the jail.
No, I can't go to jail. I literally just went to jail for a Hurricane Milton curfew.
Yeah, I need her to turn.
I'll
Face
turn
the car. Spread your feet.
Oh, okay.
I need you to stop moving. Spread your feet.
I have nothing, literally.
I don't care. I need you to spread your feet.
My feet are spread, sir.
Phone?
Can I take my test?
Huh?
That's not my phone. Can I take my? I was looking out for
So whose phone is this?
I have no idea.
So do you want me to leave it in the car?
I need to take my test.
You refused.
No,
we just asked you and you refused.
That's not what you said. You made
That's
me feel
exactly
like
what we said.
Going to jail regardless.
I'm back in the car.
No, that's crazy.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my God, y'all are tripping. Oh my God, this is crazy.
Oh, perfect.
The woman was charged with DUI, resisting arrest, and failure to obey a lawful order.
That was a mess in my room.
It'd be good if it was a man room.
And what you wearing?
The 10th of February, 2025, Ohio. Officers respond to a call from a male resident who claims his 60-year-old roommate threatened to shoot him after he asked her to keep the noise down.
She threatened to shoot me. And then she said, I don't give a f***, I'll shoot you too. So yeah, I want to file charges.
Was there anyone else here?
There is a camera right there that might have picked it up.
Does it record audio?
Yes.
Okay.
From what I was told, yes.
How you doing?
Good, how are you? So what's going on?
I have no idea. I just got here just like y'all. Maybe a couple. I'm talking to myself in my room, and he coming here talking about can I keep it down? No, I could talk at my voice carries.
Okay.
And I can say what I want to say. I'm minding my business.
Did you threaten to shoot him?
No, yeah, I did.
You did?
I don't even have a gun. I'm just frustrated, but I keep it down. I don't have a knife or a gun.
Well, you told him you would shoot him because he asked you to keep it down?
What I'm shooting with?
I'm just asking you.
No.
So he asked you to keep it down and you didn't make any threats?
I ain't made no threats, no.
You just told me you threatened to shoot him.
At this point, the officers begin to consider whether a mental health evaluation might be necessary.
So why is there an issue then?
I'm just frustrated. I'll keep it down. Maybe you need to go be seen. Yeah, I'm going on there today. You can go to the hospital right now. I got things to do. You have nothing to do, because if they don't take you to the hospital right now, I'm gonna be calling somebody to come and pick you up. And that's just it. I don't need to go to the hospital. Okay, well, all right. Well, I got cameras. I think I left my phone in the car. Hold on. When I go to CSS.
So are the cameras going to catch you saying that I'll shoot you?
No.
They're not going to catch that. So why would you tell me you said you were going to shoot him?
I was just talking.
You were just talking?
Yeah, I'm just frustrated. I don't even
Okay. You understand that you can't just say that, though? He wants to press charges.
For saying that?
You threatened him.
I was just minding my business.
I have caught camera footage.
Alright, you can show me out here.
He came in my room starting with me.
Okay.
As you can see, I came out of my room, but she was causing issues. Hey, can you please knock it off?
Can you please mind your business?
You woke me up out of a dead sleeper. All the cops who aren't getting called on you.
I don't care.
When you threatened to burn down this place, you threatened to shoot people. Okay, well, I'm calling the cops.
Did your camera catch it too?
I do want to file charges.
Okay.
She needs to go.
See how he come in my room? I'm talking in my room.
Was he inside your room or was he in the
He
hallway?
came to the door. I'm talking to myself. That's the freedom of speech. I ain't bothering nobody. Where were y'all at, in the back?
I was in the back right in front of her bedroom door when all.
He came to my room, Dion.
I was actually seeing. I was right in front of her door.
Did she make any threats while you're standing out here?
Yes, not out here, but she made threats when I was in front of her door. That's about it.
Okay. There's no camera in the hall.
No camera in the hall.
Okay.
She's been disrespectful, rude. She's been threatening to burn down the place. She's been causing a lot of issues since this morning.
She discloses multiple mental health diagnoses: schizophrenia, bipolar disorder, and Alzheimer's.
Yeah, but that's the speed of my speech. I wasn't bothering nobody. I'm in my room. I'm frustrated. He comes to my room. He got his own room and I got mine.
Miss Carter, have you been diagnosed with anything?
Yeah, I got schizophrenia.
Schizophrenia? Okay, what, are you taking your meds for that? Are you supposed to? Anything else, just schizophrenia? Have you been hearing anything lately or seeing?
Alzheimer's.
I'm sorry?
I have Alzheimer's.
Alzheimer's?
Yeah.
Have you been hearing voices or seeing things or anything like that? No? You've been
No, I'm just frustrated with life. I'm in my own room, minding my business. I don't bother nobody in this house.
Okay.
I stay to myself. And I can talk when I want to talk. He came to me. And he ain't gonna stop me from talking.
Yeah, I mean, did he come and ask you to keep it down a little bit? Or
yeah, and I told him, yeah, to mind his business.
She's mad. This is how it got started. Yesterday I walked in here and she had a bottle of Smirnoff and a bottle of beer. That's not permitted on the premises. Nonetheless, she was smoking inside the room. So at that time, you know, I told her, listen, you got to get that out of here. You can't be doing that. You know it. You know, she been with me for probably about 2.5 years. She called me this morning to tell me that she needed the skillet to make some bacon. And I said, okay, and I told her where it was at or whatever. I said, do you remember what happened yesterday? She was like, what? What are you talking about? I said, when I walked in that room and seen what I seen, you know, and told her the whole thing. So from that point on, I've been listening to her come to this porch, walking through the house. So that set her off because she knows she came from another one of my group homes, and this is her second outfit. Because for her to break the rules, threaten people inside the house, that's just intolerable here. So she know it. She know that, you know, if she got dementia too, she got early stages of dementia.
Okay.
Is why she probably didn't remember what happened yesterday. But to me, she got selective memory.
So she has dementia, bipolar, and she's schizophrenic. Okay. Well, we're trying to figure out if she's all mentally there to be able to understand, like.
She know what she's saying. She knows what she's saying because I actually had another female in here, but I had to let that female go. She did the same thing to her.
Okay.
So she knows what she's saying.
She knows what she's saying.
Oh, yeah.
But she does have mental issues.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Great. Thank you.
The male roommate alleges she's been breaking rules, drinking alcohol, and smoking inside.
Miss Carter, I'm gonna have you stand up, okay?
For what?
Oh, the gentleman would like to press charges. You're going to be under arrest for aggravated menacing.
That's some bull crap.
Unfortunately, you said what you said, and he has the right to press charges, especially since we have evidence of it.
That man can't bother me. I'm talking to myself.
Yeah, but you can't tell him that you're going to shoot him. That's the problem.
We don't go at it or nothing. I talk to myself.
I understand.
I'm about to leave. I can leave
So,
now.
Well, we're past that point.
So how long I gotta stay in jail?
Probably just a couple hours. It's a misdemeanor. You probably bond out today, or they can give you a signature bond.
Yeah, this is bull crap. Can I take my purse?
No, you gotta leave out here.
Probably won't let you take your purse. So they won't hold it there.
You gotta stand up though. You can grab
Let me get my money.
We'll grab the money out of there for you. Come on.
I got it. This is crap.
Stop grabbing stuff.
I was taking my cigarettes.
Okay. We're not gonna let you take them into jail because they're open. Put your palms together like you're praying.
And I gotta go down in my robe.
And what you're wearing?
Going to jail over some mess.
Yeah, unfortunately, sometimes there's things that we can't
Well, he
say.
started with me.
Yeah, all he did was ask you to keep it down.
And I can talk freedom of speech. Am I wrong?
Yes, you can, but you can't say that you're going to shoot someone.
Well, he deserved to be shot. Tired of people. The jail was a mess. In my room talking. Ouch. Ouch. That was some bull crap. So you say I can bond out today?
There is a possibility. It's a misdemeanor.
So you say I can't bond out today?
It's going to be up to the courts, but they should be in session today. One, two. With it being a misdemeanor, there's a chance that you could get a personal recognizance, which means it's a signature bond, just saying that you sign a piece of paper that you're going to come to court.
Okay. You put me in a wagon.
Yep.
Talking to myself, and he coming to my room. Stay in your room, I'm in my room. That's the freedom of speech. That's a lot of paperwork, ain't it? That ain't even necessary to call a paddy wagon.
Now, she'll be spending the night in custody and seeing a judge in the morning.
Oh, crap. Because he started messing with me.
Step on down.
Y'all-
Feel the bottom. I got hold of you. I can
Y'all just don't got nothing to do with that.
Okay, this right over here.
What time is it for?
I don't know.
Taking somebody to jail for some bull crap.
You ever been here before?
No,
Okay.
never been to jail.
Never been arrested in jail. Okay.
My record is clean.
Okay. I'll need to check to see if there's a bond right now.
Yes.
It's not a domestic charge, so hold on a second. He's not getting a protection order, right, on you?
No.
Or he or she or whoever? Oh, okay. I don't know anything about the case. Because it's the charge, yeah, you have to see the judge.
Well,
So
can I
the
get
judge
this
is set
today?
the judge is set, they set the docket for 8 a.m. in the morning. So unfortunately, you're going to have to spend the day and the night here. And then tomorrow morning, you'll see the judge.
How you doing, man? I'll show you Saturday.
Yeah, come on over here real quick. The nurse is going to ask you some questions also, just like some standard intake stuff, okay?
So what we'll do is I'll get you here.
I can't bond out today.
No.
I'm sorry.
Okay, go ahead
I thought
and
they shook my head.
take that thing off your head first.
I gotta take that off too.
Yeah.
This is some bull crap.
I know, it sucks.
No.
This is something.
Do you have a shirt underneath that?
No, I just got TV showing. That's it.
I don't want to see those. You got a belt on?
No.
Okay, go ahead and take your earrings out for me.
You gotta stay all night.
Yeah.
It's going to be a little bit touchy-feely, but that's just, they have to do that.
It'd be good if it was a man touching me.
Right. You just gotta, it's, I'm sorry, but that's, they have to do this.
The woman was arrested and charged with aggravated menacing. If she is convicted, what do you think the punishment should be?
The woman was charged with aggravated menacing, a first-degree misdemeanor in Ohio.
Lady, I'm gonna hit you.
Do you want to be?
Not fucking hit me. You're not gonna fucking touch me, you whore. It's hard. I'm trying.
And without keeping everyone waiting too long, we will immediately move on to the second situation. It was the 4th of July, but the sparks flying weren't just from fireworks. Officers were dispatched to a DUI crash scene, where a woman immediately refused to cooperate.
Ma'am, can you come over here real quick?
No, I can't. Can you come here?
Can you come over here real quick?
I can't. Can you come here? What do you need?
Can you step over here? I just want to talk to you.
No, I cannot. Can you come here?
I just want to talk to you. Can you come over here?
Can you come right here? What do you need?
Can you step over here real quick?
No, I cannot. Can you step over here?
You need to walk away from the car.
I don't care what you're telling me. I'm telling you, walk over to here. Don't touch me. Don't touch me, lady. Don't touch me. I'm not doing nothing. I'm standing right here.
Come on.
No. I'm right here talking to him.
Nicole.
You don't have to pull me.
Nicole.
Get off of me.
Walk
I'm right here talking to him.
No.
You don't have to put your hands on me. Don't play with me.
Stop.
Nicole.
No.
Walk over here.
No.
Come on.
I know my right. You got your body camera.
Okay, can you? Yes, Bella can go.
Okay, I am right here.
Walk away from your
No,
car.
don't touch me. Don't touch me.
See how?
Let
see
go
how
of me.
it is? Do you
No,
see how
I
easy
could have
that
been
is?
right there. What the f you gotta move? Why? Why?
Because I asked you.
No, because
Okay.
that's that.
Okay.
That right
Right,
there.
well, you're gonna stay over here.
Don't touch me again.
You're gonna stay
Don't
over
touch
here.
me again.
You're
No,
gonna
because
stay over
that's
here.
public right there. You gotta
This
be
is public
fucked up.
too. Nicole, stop.
Tell her to take her hands off of me.
Stop. You need to stop.
Nicole, Hey.
Are you gonna stop?
Hey, bro.
Are you gonna stop?
I ain't doing nothing to disrespect nobody. There ain't no
Okay,
reason
nobody's
I
disrespecting
couldn't
you.
stand right.
We're telling you to stop and stay right here. You're gonna stop and stay right here.
Tell her get her hands
I'm not
off
touching
of
you
me.
right now.
All right.
Don't touch me. There ain't no reason. You see how you're gonna come down the road 25 doing that? You tell me.
Okay. Are you gonna listen?
No, I ain't. What?
Just let her know what we're doing.
Okay. So pretty much the crash investigation's over.
And where's it at? Cause I ain't
Listen,
seen
guys,
nobody
it's not
here.
done.
We're gonna start
Insurance.
criminal DUI investigation.
Nope. Insurance to insurance.
Okay. We have
Nope.
something to read.
Insurance.
I'm gonna
to
read you
insurance.
something real quick. Are you gonna listen?
Nope. I'm not.
I'm gonna read it to you.
I'm not gonna listen.
All right,
to
Nicole. You have the
bullshit.
right to remain silent. Anything you. Nicole.
Refuse to hear your Miranda rights? Don't worry, the consequences speak loud and clear.
Don't touch me, lady. I'm gonna hit you.
Do you want to be?
No,
You're gonna
bro.
be put in handcuffs.
Put her handcuffs.
Touch me.
She's not.
Don't touch me, lady. Don't touch me. What the fuck? You're not gonna touch me, you whore. Over some bullshit. You're a pussy ass bitch. You know Todd's gonna you up. You got me all the way up. I ain't doing anymore. You know my rights?
Get up.
I can't.
It's your
You know
son.
my rights?
Nicole.
I bet you won't fucking play with me when I'm on handcuffs. Bet you won't do it. Bet you won't do it. I don't give a
You're gonna
fuck.
get charged.
You won't with me when I'm on handcuffs.
Yeah, you're real scary.
Oh, you're real scary. I'm real scary now that I'm handcuffed right now. Right now, you are.
Nicole, you can scream.
You're
all
gonna
you-
let her talk shit to me.
You can scream all you want.
Think that I'm supposed to hear her silent?
Nicole, you
You got
can
me
scream all you
fucked up.
want.
You know this is my. You know this is the deal.
Go up against the. Go up against the
Y'all
car.
all on camera. Y'all got up. Push on my glasses for me, could you please? You're right on camera because we're right here at Brandon Lamley's. I know y'all have heard that
Nicole,
name
enough.
more than one time. That. I know y'all have heard. He killed my brother.
Thank you.
You. Get me in the goddamn car. Get me in the car.
You're gonna search her. You're gonna get searched.
I don't give a fuck. What you gonna serve? My pussy? That ain't the search. Don't touch me.
Hey,
bro.
stop
You
kicking,
don't
Nicole.
have a
Stop
touch me.
kicking.
That ain't nothing to search. Get her off of me. I'm not doing nothing. nothing.
You're.
I didn't kick.
Yeah.
I'm going like this.
Can you listen to me?
This is me going like this.
Ma'am.
This is my privacy. They're trying to touch my pussy. Look how they're hitting me. Look how they're hitting me, bro. Look how they're doing me. You're gonna do me like that? I got people who work for your facility. You know that, right? Yeah, look.
Nicole,
What'd you find?
you're just getting searched.
What'd
Listen.
you find? What'd you find? No, bro. Take me. Look at him choking me and shit.
Here, let me get
Take your fucking. Where's your body cam?
Nicole, let her search. You're just getting searched,
Where's
Nicole.
it at?
This is on.
Is yours on?
No, it's charging.
Okay, well I want it on now.
Theirs is on.
No, that. Is yours on?
It's on.
The whole time while she's grabbing me, yanking me.
Can you hold
So
that?
she's gonna.
Oh, you don't have
it's
gloves
gonna-
on.
Stop, mother. Hey,
They have to
hey,
you.
you better tell this.
She's only searching your waistline. Like, relax.
No.
I need her off the car so I can grab her.
No, that.
To make sure
I don't give a. I ain't got nothing on me. She don't need to be hitting me.
Nicole.
She don't need that.
Nicole.
No, she don't need to rough me up. If I ain't roughing you up. Yes, she was. Yes, she did. I ain't got nothing.
Nicole, if you kick again.
I'm not gonna kick. Get her off of me. Get her off of me. I ain't got nothing. Get her the off of me, bro. Get her off of me.
Give me fine.
Don't slam me.
Nobody's slamming you.
Hey, you just hurt my pussy on here. Push on my.
You're gonna get sprayed. Don't do that. No.
You guys check him at all?
Huh?
You guys check her cuffs?
She's fighting me. She kicked me 3 times.
You gotta get pepper spray.
It hurts like a motherfucker.
Keep kicking and you'll get pepper
It
spray.
hurts like a bitch, man.
She kicked me 3 times. Ended up on the ground. I'm done with
She
her.
took her down and yeah, there's no talking to her at this
No
point.
talking to her. We're done. If she kicks, let us know. I'm sorry.
The car has to be towed. It was used in the commission of a DUI.
You got a ticket, traffic ticket?
Yeah, so she's gonna get it. It's gonna be on her property.
It's gonna be on her property, okay.
And
Well, for what? Like for speeding and what else? Stop sign.
And DUI.
And for what else?
For DUI.
All right, that's
She has tickets from us for DUI, so she's gonna have paperwork for that.
Okay, all right. But, are you okay to drive? Yeah, I'm fine.
We have to tow it.
It's 4th of July, man. You know, shit.
We have to tow it for our policy.
You know, okay.
Yeah. You're gonna have to walk.
Why not?
Yeah.
Why I can't take the deal?
It's against our policy. I can't let you drive that car. It has to be towed because it was used in the commission of a DUI.
Man.
I know. It's kind of crappy, but there's nothing I can do. I'll get in trouble if I don't tow it. So.
You have the keys? It's already there. Okay. Everything's in there. You live close
If you have something of value in there, you want to get out, you can.
Yeah, I live down 2 blocks.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. I'll send Brayden down for the car. Of course they are.
So what? Come on.
She's probably gonna end up on the grass again.
No! Please! Get your leg back. Ow! Why the f*** not the hell?
Can I just put my sunglasses up here before there's a person?
Yeah, can you put my
My shit! Just loosen it! It hurts so fucking bad!
You said they're about to fall off.
I mean, they're not going to come off, but they do not need to be looser than they are.
Like, we need to tighten them.
At this point, it's not clear if she's angrier at the heat, the cuffs, or the officer, sir, all three.
All right, spin around.
You're gonna be in the news. Why are you
Spin
roughing me
around.
up, bro?
Spin around and stop.
Why are you roughing me up?
Stop.
I ain't doing. Why are you slinging on me?
Because you're acting like an idiot.
No, I'm asking you to loosen it because it
Oh, you
hurts
don't
so
get
bad.
drunk and act a fool.
Yeah, fuck your mom.
Yes.
I'm asking you
Okay,
because y'all got me in a hot ass car.
Just like that.
I'm gonna put y'all on the goddamn news. You got me up. You got me up.
AC on full blast.
I don't give a you just put it up. And you're roughhousing me.
Nobody's
And you're rough. Yes, he is. Look at him hurting my wrist.
Could
Look
have
at
been what
him.
we're doing. We wouldn't have to do this.
Ain't nobody doing nothing.
All right, now
I'm
let's play
sitting here
properly.
asking you to loosen me up.
Nicole.
Look at what he's
Nicole.
doing to me. Hot. Let's go. It's hot.
The AC's on.
No fucking air.
The AC is on for you.
From the plastic.
The AC is on.
I'm heat exhaustion. And y'all's gonna be on the goddamn news. I already got y'all on the news. They're already calling them already. Come on! You're going to jail, man. Time to leave.
Is there another deal? Huh? What's Braden doing?
Braden? Oh, that guy was in her car. I don't know. We're towing it though, so it's not like we're gonna let her take it.
There's somebody yelling at you for y'all.
Was he just trying to drive?
Yeah.
Say again?
She's a fun one.
I mean, just trying to talk.
Hey! Hey! Tell them to open
Hey, can
the
you not?
door! Tell them to open the door so I can breathe!
Nicole!
Tell them to open the door so I can breathe!
Nicole!
Fuck you! You're liars! Open the door so I can breathe! I ain't get no fucking air! I ain't get no fucking air!
Well, if you stop screaming, you'll be able to breathe.
No fucking air!
Nicole, the AC's on in the back.
If you can scream, you can breathe.
And what are my charges?
Yeah.
What are my charges? I want to know. I haven't been read my Miranda. Nothing. I want to know. So I'm sitting in this car for what reason? Against the law.
Put her legs through there. Pull it tight for the door jamb into the front door jamb.
They didn't read me my Miranda. They told me my charges. Push my glasses up for me, please. Please, they got me in this hot ass car, sir. Please, look at them. They're talking to me for no reason. They're not telling me nothing. Look at them. No! No! Don't let them do this. Beth, please don't let them do this. It's hard. I'm trying to. Look at him. Officer! Officer! Officer!
Please throw these in the car. Thank you. I appreciate it.
The one behind it.
There's nothing in there to hook it to.
Nothing in there. There's no metal piece underneath the seat. Yeah, it's gonna be a DUI. So just start fighting. Her AC's on the back, so she can breathe.
Cool. Okay. Why is it so freaking hot today? I'm just dying.
The woman was sentenced to 36 months probation, DUI school, fines, and community service. What a stubborn Karen, right? Stay tuned because the next Karen reacts even more aggressively.
In handcuffs.
No.
Okay, but here's the thing.
Do you want to get your
resisting charge?
No, see the
On the 1st of February, 2025, officers in Illinois responded to a home following reports of a woman refusing to leave.
What's going on?
My mom has power of attorney for my aunt.
Okay.
Her husband died like 3-4 weeks ago.
Okay.
So her business partner from California, his business partner from California showed up here and is trying to take her back to California with her.
Why does he believe that he has any right to do that?
Because she's nuts. She pretty much says that it's a female, that they were brother and sister out there, and the family, they're trying to say the family doesn't care about her. So she won't acknowledge that her name's Mitchko, has dementia and can't make her own decisions.
Okay.
So my mom has power of attorney. She doctor ordered that Mitchko's not in decision makers. Elder care is involved. So they're here too.
Okay.
So elder care wanted us to call the police for at least a report.
Okay.
I know it's civil, it's everything else. Our worry is that as soon as we leave, that they're take her, load her up in a car, and get her on a plane, take her to California.
Okay.
They
I'm sorry. Are they the people from California? Are they here?
Yes.
Okay.
They have a lot of money.
Okay.
they have a bunch of apartment complexes out in LA. So,
But at the end of the day, your mom has power of attorney.
But that's what all stems from, is them trying to get isolated out there for the apartments and the money. Because this is the lady that manages the apartments for my great aunt and uncle while they were in California.
Okay.
So, I got her name. I got her info if you want it.
Cool.
They live here.
So essentially, they just want her in California because they think the family's not taking care of her. Is that what you're saying?
No, they want her out in California. She has round-the-clock care here.
Yeah.
She pays for 24-hour care.
Okay.
They want her in California so they can get the money. No, that's what it is. They're trying to claim that, oh, we're best friends with her and everything else, you know. But it's all, they want control over these apartments and everything else, which is all in court process right now. Again, I know it's civil, but
didn't she already go to California and end up? One of them ended up in the hospital because they weren't being taken care of.
yeah, they got her out to California 3 or 4, I don't know, probably 6 months ago, and they declined like crazy in the 2 months they were out there because they weren't being taken care of. And then they came back and he died, and now and then my mom's stuck dealing with it because she's the closest. They don't have any kids, so it's just my mom.
Okay.
Is the power of attorney.
Okay.
So she's not the lady that's here. She's not going to talk to you. She's very.
She won't speak to me.
She won't speak. I don't even know her phone number.
When police confronted the unwelcome visitor, she was polite but evasive.
You don't mind if I step on that?
This is Miss Tappas from California.
Hello.
This is her daughter.
How you doing, guys? So what's going on?
Ask them. I don't know.
Well, there's two sides to every story.
Well, the best thing is for you to contact my attorney.
So you guys don't want to talk to me?
Sorry.
No. You can do what you want to do. How you doing? Oh, just peachy. What's going on?
Our attorney from She has dementia.
Sure.
I think she's gone decisional by the doctor. I have the paperwork.
Yeah, that's what they were saying. So.
And pressuring her about coming back to California. I want to know who's going to buy the apartments. They're using Google Translate to try to talk to her in Japanese.
They just don't understand that, you have...
She keeps saying she wants to stay here.
Even then, your power of attorney, so that if she wants to go, you, at the end of the day, have final say. I don't need to explain that to you, but I'm sorry, I don't mean to tower over you or anything. Is there
tower over everybody?
Yeah, it's a thing.
So I think they should leave.
Okay. This is, I mean, they don't have any legal right to be here, so if you would like them to leave.
They supposedly came to pay respects to my uncle because they're good friends.
Okay.
But ever since she got here, it's just been because she was doing the same thing last night. You need to come to California.
Okay. So we just want them to...
Despite lacking any legal right to remain, she's camped out in the house, insisting she's welcome based on a vague past visit.
All right, you guys don't want to talk to me? Do we want to head out? You don't want to leave?
When we head out from here?
Yeah, from the residence. From the residence.
I'm going tomorrow.
You're going tomorrow?
Yes.
What are we doing here now?
Talk to my attorney, please.
No, I'm just asking a question. This isn't
but
in regards to anything with...
No, I don't want to talk.
You don't want to talk?
No. Sorry.
No, I mean, if you don't want to talk to me, you don't want to talk to me. I'm just trying to understand,
Good-looking dude, but I shouldn't.
I appreciate it. You're gonna make me blush, but at the end of the day, I'm just trying to figure out what's going on. I understand you're here. Is there a reason why we're camping out? I'm being respectful. I would appreciate if you would do the same. So we just gonna camp out here forever? Is what I'm.
We're leaving tomorrow.
You came to visit?
Yeah.
Was this a planned visit? They said you guys, hey, you could come over and hang out and spend the night and stay as long as you want. So you came out to visit and you just decided that you're...
Paying my respects.
I'm sorry. You came out to pay your respects?
And to see that, go to the cemetery, yes.
Okay. And then you just decided that you're going to stay here while you do that?
We did that before.
I'm sorry?
We did
she did it before.
Who did what before?
She came out here and stayed in this room.
No, it was touching.
Okay. But what I'm asking is, did the guardian give you permission to stay this time? Looking forward, if she doesn't want you here, then you don't stay here.
Why would you say that? She doesn't want us here. Why would
No.
you say that?
No, she would like you guys to leave. She just told me.
I think she wants everybody to leave. They don't want you here. He's kicking you out.
We don't want to
You
sign.
can't,
We don't have to sign a no trespass order. We don't want to have to sign it, which we can do if we need to.
She doesn't make her decisions. She has power of attorney. She speaks for Michiko. If she doesn't want you here, then you guys have to leave. Do you understand what I'm kind of getting at?
If you talk to me,
I understand I could talk to her, but even if I talk to her, whatever she says doesn't hold any water because she has power of attorney.
yeah, but
Michiko has dementia, correct?
I'm an MD.
Okay. Regardless, from a legal aspect, she has power of attorney, correct?
I don't know. I don't think
She does.
I think she can make decisions.
Okay, well, even if she does make her decisions right now in the moment, she has power of attorney. So that trumps whatever she's saying right now. Okay, I'm not going to go 12 rounds with you. From a legal standpoint, she has power of attorney. She doesn't want you in the residence, so she's asking you politely.
Continued refusal will result in a ticket. She now faces a $300 Finian potential arrest.
They need to leave or they will be arrested for trespassing.
Correct. So I have a trespass here. I'm going to fill it out. If they refuse to leave, are we going 95 with a 80-year-old woman?
We're not going to, no. Trespass is not a detainable offense. So
Well, I mean, that's obstructing if she refuses to leave, isn't it?
I would tell her that's what's going to happen. Be like, look, you're going to have to go. So
Okay.
she don't live there. She don't live there, right?
No, they're from California. They explained to me one time that they came out here and stayed. It's like, so you stayed here one time, so you're just on the assumption that anytime you come out, you're free to stay here for as long as you want?
I would tell them, I talked to my supervisor, you have to leave or I'm going to have to issue a citation if you don't, and possibly arrest. So.
Okay. Sounds good. Do I need to explain this?
Yeah.
These are trespass notices. So you guys are going to be... Can you step out with me so I'm not talking over her?
If Diana stay here, you
Ma'am.
stay here.
Ma'am,
Well, now you just said everyone's here.
ma'am, can you step out with me so I don't talk over her with her? Okay. So you guys are going to be trespassed from the property. I'm going to give you this. If you refuse to leave, you're going to get a ticket for $300 a head. If you refuse to leave after that, you're going to be leaving in handcuffs. Is that the route we want to go?
See that you said three things that they contradict.
That is not contradicting. She understands perfectly.
Speak louder.
I'm going to be giving you a trespass notice. After I give you this notice, if you refuse to leave, I'm going to give you a city citation for trespassing. If you refuse to leave after that, you're going to leave here in handcuffs. I'm giving you a trespass paper. If you refuse to leave after that, I'm giving you a city ticket for trespassing. If you don't leave after that, you're going in handcuffs.
Who called me? Diane is doing it to us. Diane, he just said, Diane is doing something that making me kicking me out.
This is my house.
I understand.
Let
I
her,
understand.
she understands,
Nope,
but she's not
nope.
listening.
Power of
Diana
attorney.
called me.
Yeah, Diane.
No.
Power of attorney. And
yes.
and
Explain it to her. She knows her.
I'm not
English.
explaining.
She's in shock.
I'm not explaining to her. Okay. I need IDs.
How come you see you like this?
She's in the kitchen waiting. She's gonna see. You're gonna see me in handcuffs because Diane's kicking me out.
So we're refusing to leave.
Yes.
Okay. Do you have an ID on you?
Yes.
If you don't leave right now, you're going in handcuffs.
Now.
Correct. You need to collect your belongings and head out the door.
What was the whole ticket thing?
If you refuse to leave, you get a city citation for trespassing. If you refuse to leave after that, that's where obstruction of justice comes into play.
Oh, is this the ticket?
That is a trespass notice. So if you're refusing now, you get a $300 ticket. So I mean, if you guys want to add a couple $300 tickets and a charge, we can go that route, but I would prefer not to do that.
What do you call trespassing? What do you call trespassing?
That's a warning.
It's a warning
For what?
for trespassing.
I'm in her home, not Diane's home.
If you go, Diana more go, you stay here.
Okay, I'm gonna stay here.
Okay.
And I don't want to go 15 rounds with you. She has power of attorney. She's asking you to leave. I'm asking you politely.
I don't leave. No, thank
Okay,
you.
I'm going to get the tickets.
They're gonna handcuff me.
We got body cameras going now.
Yeah, and they can. Please help me. I want to pay. Open the door. Please come. She was praying. Thank you. He's Somebody lock you all. Look at the cops are coming here to arrest me.
I'll get out of the way.
They're coming here to arrest me.
Hi.
Hi.
How's it going?
Oh, I'm a little sick. Worry.
All right. Oh, I want to talk to her.
No, I don't talk to my attorney, please. No. She didn't do nothing.
No, we didn't say she did anything. I just want to talk to her.
No, you want to grab me and throw me in your car. That's what he said. She don't do nothing. Are you going to handcuff? He said you're handcuffing me. Yeah.
That's not what I said.
You said you're hauling me away.
Correct.
If I don't leave.
I said I was serving you with a trespass, and then I was giving you a ticket. And if you refused to leave after that, you were going to leave in handcuffs. Correct.
Yeah.
So why won't you leave?
At this point, she's not just staying, she's obstructing.
My best friend died. I was not notified by them that he died.
Okay.
And I haven't called, nobody called me. I don't know if he's, I heard through the person that he's dead. And they sent a notice that the funeral was the day before. So they wouldn't let me come. So I picked out this weekend to come after I got composed to visit me and to go to the cemetery. And we did that. My airline ticket leaves tomorrow. I have my, yeah. She's lots of help. And
Many years, you know, family. My husband.
Okay, but here's the thing.
What?
You're being asked to leave. You've
Okay,
outstayed
and
your
I'm
welcome.
saying, no, I leave tomorrow night.
But you don't have that option. You
Why
do not
not?
live here.
I'm just spending one more night. I come from California. My daughter comes from Michigan.
That is a
They don't
moot
care.
point. That's a moot point.
Okay.
So that's the reason why you're being asked to leave, because you're no longer welcome here.
No, she welcomed me. She's the
She's not the one that's saying it. She doesn't have the capacity to do that, and you know dang well she don't. And that's why you're pulling this. We're not trying to be physical with you and forcefully get you out of here.
He's
but
gonna
that,
handcuff me.
but
if I
that
don't
will
leave.
happen.
What? They're going to handcuff me.
It will happen if she doesn't choose to leave on her own, and I don't want that.
I told them my plane ticket goes tomorrow night.
He don't want to use this.
Here, they're going to hold me.
Stay here.
Right, for one more night.
No.
Right.
And it's not up to her.
Well, it is up. This is her home.
It's not up to her.
Why
it's
is
up
it-
to the power of attorney, and the power of attorney is making that decision. But you totally understand
There's
what's
no
going on,
reason
and you're
for her
manipulating
asking
the situation.
Well, no, for her asking me to leave to visit my best friend. Are you kidding me?
Well-
Of 40-some years, she's going to have me arrested because she doesn't want me to stay here.
Can we get her out of here?
You don't want to go sit in the kitchen. Yeah.
Don't touch me.
Oh, well, don't block me.
You're taking up way too much of our time. Is this your purse?
Yes.
You want to grab it because you're going to be escorted out. And then you're going to go wherever you have to go because you're no longer welcome.
She's 75 years old and weighs just 83 pounds, but the law doesn't make exceptions for stubbornness.
Look at, they take, look at, they won't let me come.
Don't do.
I'm not doing anything.
Yeah, excuse me,
No.
excuse me,
No.
let me through, excuse me, excuse me, excuse me.
No. Please, don't do. Please. Please.
Excuse me. Look.
No, don't do it. I don't.
All right. We don't want to arrest you, but that's what's going to happen if you don't leave.
I'm leaving, want to see my airline
You're leaving
ticket tomorrow
right
night.
now. You're leaving right now.
No, because I've done nothing wrong.
Yes, you have.
What?
Trespassing. You're trespassing after you've been asked to leave.
No,
And now I'm giving you a lawful order to leave. And if you don't, you're obstructing my order. I'm the supervisor that's in charge. Okay?
Antoinette, I don't. She's.
Me.
You caused us to take you to the police department. Nope, you did. Your actions. Your actions.
Why? Because I
Because
don't
you're an
listen.
adult. You are an adult.
She's an adult lying.
She is in charge. Unbelievable. How old are you?
75.
Then act it. Stand
No,
up.
you're lying. You guys are
I'm
lying.
not lying.
Yes, you are, because
She doesn't want you here. She has power of attorney. She's asking you to leave. You're not leaving. I gave you an order to leave. You obstructed a lawful order. You're under arrest for obstructing a police officer. Let's go.
No.
She'll have to be picked up so you can bring it back there. Her belongings?
At the
700 West Lincoln Highway.
I'll give you the address. Give us a second. So let me ask you this.
Yes.
I'll give you one more chance.
I've done nothing
wrong.
wrong.
If you leave on your own accord,
tomorrow 7 o'clock.
right now, I will not arrest you. Okay.
I've done nothing wrong.
Some sense into her?
I don't know. I mean,
I've done nothing wrong. This is.
If I get her out, I can't bring you here. What's
Yes,
the
you
plan?
can.
No, they're going to
There
call
are
the
plenty
cops.
of hotels in town.
No, thank you.
Okay. If she has the power of attorney, and
Did
Michiko is her name?
See the power of attorney. It's for health.
Do you want to get your resisting charge?
No, see
Okay,
the
stop
no.
pulling, please. You're going to hurt yourself.
I'm saying, see
You're
the
going to
power of
hurt
attorney.
yourself.
Have a seat. Thank you.
My wrist. Can you redo it? Because it's twisted the bone. And
I don't know what to tell you.
Did you see her power of attorney?
My officer already talked to him.
You saw the power of attorney. You didn't see it.
All right. I'll make sure she gets all her stuff and the daughter gets out of here. We'll take her down, just book her and photograph her and cut her loose.
Do you need a hand?
Yes. Thank you.
I don't want to pull you out. Okay.
It's only weight and not enough weight to carry down.
Huh?
Not enough weight because I'm only 83 pounds.
Okay.
Facing up to 12 months in jail, mandatory psychological evaluation, and a formal eviction process.
Without notice? Yes, they can.
Well, then I just in the first place.
You should stop pulling on me. Stop pulling on me.
On April 9th, 2024, officers responded to a call for theft at a local car wash.
What's going on?
This lady here in the Jeep, she came in her store, we gave her 6 packages of our sample wipes. She came in, said they weren't enough, took wipes and spray, told my coworker to get the fuck out of her way. She's like, if I wanted to pay for them, I would, and walked out the way, and she won't pay or anything.
How much do you owe?
$10.
Yeah.
A place to be. It's in a hurry. So no one talk to us. Shame this, your shit.
You guys have it on video? Yeah. You guys want to pursue charges on it? You guys want to pursue charges on it?
I'm not the manager, but I don't know. I know they're going to end up canceling her membership and not let her back, but
So no charges for that now.
I don't know. I just don't think it's necessary for you to come to a place of business. And we gave her free wipes already, and then she came back in trying to get more stuff, and then just walked out with the items. Like,
It's kind of something we need to know to proceed though.
yeah. I mean, no, it's definitely so. It's not a big deal, but we'll probably cancel her membership. But like, we just have to leave and never come back.
Officers approach the woman who's mid-rinse at the wash bay. They waste no time letting her know she's officially trespassed and needs to clear out. Like, now. Her reaction, well, let's just say it's not exactly what they expected.
Ma'am! Hello? What's going on? Well, clearly something. The workers are saying you took things without paying.
They wanted to leave and never come back when they're canceling their membership.
Ma'am! Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Okay, you need to leave the premises or you're going to be arrested for trespass. What? You need to leave the premises immediately or you will be arrested for trespass. You are hereby trespassed from this location. I have a subscription. They're canceling it.
They can't do that.
Yes, they can.
Without notice?
Yes, they can.
Well, then I just purchased the wash that I
Doesn't
paid
matter.
for.
Doesn't matter.
Unless they're going to refund me my
Listen to
money
me.
right now,
As
I still
of
have
now,
a subscription.
it is time to put that down and leave.
They owe me money for the month.
Then you're going to get arrested for trespass.
I'm not trespassing.
Put it down. Put the hose down.
Let me get
No.
my camera.
No.
Don't touch me. Let me get my camera.
No.
Are you arresting me? Why are you
under arrest.
I'm not under arrest. I'm not under arrest.
Yes,
do not touch me. Help me! Help me! Help me! I'm black and they're hurting me! I'm black and stop pulling on me! Stop pulling on me!
You're going to get
Stop resisting. You're hurting me for no reason. I came to wash my car.
Get on the ground.
I came to wash my
Get on
car.
your stomach.
Help me!
Get on your
Help me! Help me! Get on the stop. I came to wash my car. I came to wash my car. Please help me, sir. Please. They're arresting me because I washed my car. I paid for it to listen here. Come on. And I didn't arrested. Stop pulling on me. Then walk. Then stop pulling on me. Okay, walk. Stop pushing me. I'll walk. Walk. And stop pushing me. Walk. You're not giving me a chance.
Go ahead, I'm giving you a chance right now.
You're putting momentum.
I'm giving you a chance right now.
Now in custody, she suddenly remembers her daughter is waiting alone to be picked up.
You guys brought you guys.
No, we didn't.
Yes, you did. Yes, stop pushing on me. I'm walking.
Then walk.
I'm walking at my speed. I have injuries.
Walk.
I have injuries and you're hurting me.
Come on. You're pulling away from us.
I
Come on.
had a surgery on my ankle. You're pulling too fast.
Okay, go
and
ahead.
you're hurting me. Thank you. You don't have to twist it up like that.
Don't blocking your cuffs. They don't tighten up on it.
Do you have anything illegal on you?
It's hurting my wrist. I have carpal tunnel.
Well, you resisted, so we couldn't do them properly.
I never
Have a seat.
resisted at all.
Have a seat.
I came to wash my car.
Have a seat.
203.
We're good. She's in custody. Lean back for me.
My stuff
Lean
is
back
going to
for
get
me.
stolen. I have a daughter to pick up from school. I'm in a hurry. My child, my minor child, is waiting for me to pick her
Lean
up.
back in the car.
My minor
I
child,
hear you. Lean
you're
back.
leaving my minor abandoned. She's waiting for me to pick her up.
Where's she at?
She is at school,
Okay. We'll alert the school. What school is it?
Elyria High.
Okay. We'll let them know. What's
She
your child's
walks
name?
down to the square and meets me at the square.
Okay. We'll advise the school.
The school to
Lean
do
back.
what? To go walk down to the square and search for my daughter?
Lean back.
You're leaving my minor child abandoned. This is as far as I can lean back. And my stuff is exposed.
Well, we'll lock it up for you. Any information other than she's at the square.
So asked me to describe her.
We'll have an officer go check
When
the
He
area.
asked me, what was she wearing today?
Do you not know what
Not
your daughter
how
was
tall
wearing
is
today?
she, color hair. He said, what was she wearing
Well,
today?
we can't when you talk over us at every second.
Because my child is abandoned downtown. Wouldn't you be concerned, or that's not an
Hang out the
issue?
county with that female.
It's not an issue. So if a stranger kidnaps my child or does something to my daughter, it's okay? If there's no sense of urgency?
No, of course it's not okay. That'd be terrible.
You sound very condescending.
I'm not. That would be a terrible thing to happen.
I hope your camera.
It is on. It's been on the whole time. That's due to your own behaviors today. It's nobody's fault but your own. I told you you were criminally trespassing. You had to immediately leave.
How would I be criminally
Leo, Murray, Henry, Adam,
There was a discussion right when I told you that you were criminally trespassed.
have a subscription. They canceled it. And I
Okay.
told you when they didn't
Well,
want to
it's all
tell
on
me my
camera,
name,
so.
and I wasn't informed of that.
Okay, well, it's all on camera, so you can argue that all you want.
I'm so glad it is. I mean, there's no arguing black and white.
So you just unbuckle yourself?
But I can't. Will somebody sit down to get my daughter?
Someone was sent down to go look for your daughter. I already told you that.
Not go look for her. Go get her.
Well, if she's in the square, then yes, we will go find her and get her.
Again, so very condescending. If you please stop talking to me like I'm a third grader. I'm not your child.
Well, you don't seem to be listening to what you're being
I'm
told.
listening to everything you're saying. I'm asking for an update since it's probably been approximately 40 minutes since you first told me you were going to go have somebody contact the school.
Well, you said she was out of school, so why would I contact the school?
Well, at least they know what she looks like and they have her identification. But you have to do your job too.
Nope, I'm perfectly capable of doing that
and
myself.
That's what you said you were
going to do, that's what you should have done. You should have followed her.
She accuses officers of bargaining over her daughter's safety, but the booking process doesn't change. No phone calls until intake, no exceptions.
How about Erica? Hey, can you look at your messages? I gotta go. Thank you. Do you want to tell them your name? Are you gonna wait? So they will let you do that. They'll let you grab the number out of your phone and call her once we're in.
That's not. To be bargaining my daughter's safety.
I'm not bargaining your daughter's safety. Those are the rules. I cannot give you any property.
The rules. My daughter has been abandoned. She's a minor. She's waiting downtown Illyrian where anything can happen, where anybody can grab her, and you're bartering with me with information.
Then you should have listened to us in the first place.
You should have done your job
I
and not unlawfully touched me or arrested me for no reason.
Okay. Whatever you say.
I know it is. I feel sorry for you. Why did you for negotiating my daughter's safety? Can you please find out something about her or let me call?
You cannot call. And I have no further
You
information.
told me I could call my daughter.
Yes, once you get into booking, they'll give you the phone number to call your daughter on these phones.
So I have to wait additional time when my daughter's safety is in jeopardy?
Yep.
I like how you're so coy about it.
Just giving you the facts.
You don't care. Okay. Well, and it might be my daughter.
Nope, you can't have a phone on in here.
Hello? I'm looking for Jasmine too.
Okay, we gotta end this phone call.
Where's my daughter?
Yeah, she's in jail right now.
I'm looking for my daughter. I was supposed to pick her up from downtown Square. And Erica Lemieux.
She called
I went to wash my car.
Ma'am, they already know.
They arrested me unlawfully. And I told them repeatedly that my minor child is downtown.
I don't get service for you.
Okay.
Ma'am, give her the...
Ma'am, she's in the Lorain County Jail at this time under arrest.
She's saying something about my daughter.
I know, but she needs to know that you're under arrest right now.
She needs to
You cannot talk to them.
What's going on with my daughter? They're telling me nothing. They're not telling me anything. She's alone. She's by herself. Somebody could have taken her. This is her mother.
She does not.
It's in my phone.
You guys need to hang up
They
now.
won't let me call her. I just want to call her, make sure she's okay, find out where she's at.
Erica, you need to put the watch in the bag.
We can't do that right now. I'm trying to pat her down, please.
That's my phone number.
Dispatch.
Yeah, I'll address this when we get back to station.
Please, 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 please find her. Please.
Okay, we have to hang up now, please.
I'll address that when I go back to station.
Yeah, that's a little ridiculous.
April 24th, 2025. An erratic driver caught the attention of Nassau County deputies. What follows? Let's just say it's far from your average traffic stop.
Hey, Deputy Rasher on Nassau County Sheriff's Office. Is everything okay?
Everything's fine. I'm going to my daughter's cemetery.
Okay. So, couple things, right? The car in front of you, right there at 107 and Hendricks, you kind of floored it. Is there a reason behind that?
Her foot got stuck, her flip-flop got stuck on the damn gas pedal.
Okay.
Yeah. We're going to the cemetery. You can follow us
No, you're
there.
okay. I'm just making sure.
I just lost my daughter.
I'm sorry.
I'm really not
It's
doing
been
good.
sad.
And then when I was following you back here, you're riding the dotted line, and then you come over to the solid white line, and you come back.
I was trying to get her flip-flop stuck in that.
I know.
Okay.
We ain't doing nothing wrong. I'm just my daughter.
Shoes on for this.
Not doing so good. Really not.
Okay. Do you have your driver's license on you?
I don't.
Okay. Do you? You don't have a driver's license on you?
I got my ID.
Okay.
She fumbles to explain that she was just trying to get to her daughter's grave, borrowing someone else's car to do it.
Why are you driving a vehicle with no driver's license?
Because I asked her to drive me down there and no way to get there. I don't have a car.
Okay.
I ain't seen her about there since she's been dead.
Do you think that's safe?
Well, no, I don't think it was safe, but I want to see my daughter really bad.
I understand.
That's the whole thing.
I will show you my ID. Let me take my ID out here. I'm going to show it to you. I want you to know that I got one. I'm just stressed out. That's all.
Echo 1, Echo 5.
There you go.
Do you have registration insurance of the vehicle?
Echo 5 Charlie.
This is not my vehicle.
I'm just asking in general.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I have
Echo 1 Charlie.
She's
Echo
got
5 Charlie.
I got everywhere, everything.
She's got everything that she needs, really. And I asked her to take me.
5 Charlie, Echo 3 Charlie, you 77, you meet me at
10-4, possible signal 1 investigation.
I'm also Jim Carey's sister.
Jim Carey.
Yeah, we're on 51. What's your 10 story?
But I do.
Okay.
It may not
Aubrey
matter,
Fletcher.
but I also know
Go check that out.
James.
We're doing fine. I wanted to go to the cemetery really bad.
Yeah, we were headed down there to take some stuff and leave her. From baby's
Water cemetery. You know us. I'm the water, but I ain't one of the bad ones. I'm one of the good ones.
Okay. Alright, so this is what I'm going to have you do, okay? I'm going to have you go and put your hands up on the steering wheel, the driver. And then I'm going to come around to the driver's side, okay? Alright. I'm going to have you go and step out for me, okay?
Okay, I have the seatbelt on.
Go ahead and take it off.
The officer remains patient, but beneath the surface, it's clear they're preparing for something more serious.
Can you drive Jim Carey for me and allow him at least?
Drive who?
Jim Carey.
Who's Jim Carey?
A friend of mine. He's actually my brother-in-law, but he's
go to the front of my truck.
Cop.
Go to the front of my truck for me.
Fernandina cop.
I asked her to carry me.
Go ahead and step out for me. Go to the front of my truck. Can you not lean on that for me? Stand away from it. Yeah. No, you're good. You can relax.
I know. We feel like we're under arrest.
No.
Well, damn.
So in the state,
I don't feel right at all.
So in the state of Florida, you should not be operating a motor vehicle without a driver's license, right? So that's why I had you get removed from the driver's seat, because technically you're not supposed to be driving.
Okay.
Okay.
But I asked her to carry me. She didn't.
That's what. Hey, what you did is what you did, but at the end of the day, Florida state statute says you cannot be operating a motor vehicle without being in possession of a driver's license.
She won't do it again, but I
right?
ain't been
What's
down
your last
so
name?
long.
What's your first name?
Yours.
James.
No, my name is
me, Leanne. I'm sorry.
All right, spell your first name.
L-E-A, capital A-N-N.
Middle initial.
Rice Schneider. Is that how you pronounce it?
What's your middle initial?
A.
A?
Yeah. Look how many I was.
Hey, what's your birthday?
2774. Where is Kevin Street from Draga from Florida? That's what I want to know. Come on. There's a bunch.
Come down.
Continue, sir.
I'm a female.
Female, whatever you are, continue.
Okay. So I've got odor of alcohol coming from your breath.
Okay, great.
Have you been drinking today?
No.
Okay, so we have some other deputies here. Would
Okay.
you
They'll
be...
say you did. They will agree with you. I'm part of that. Hey guys.
Okay.
What's your name?
Leanne.
Leanne, what did you just say?
I said that I just took her to Cinematic Odyssey to see her mother. Her father that just died.
Okay.
Mother, I'm sorry.
You just said that we're going to see her
that's what we were
deceased
doing.
daughter. Now you just...
Yes.
Okay.
That's what we've been doing.
Okay.
Honestly.
Okay, so these guys are going to do field sobriety exercises on you.
Great.
Okay? Because I have probable cause to believe that you're under the influence of alcohol. You've got an odor, you're slurring
Wonderful. So,
listen. Calm down. Listen to what she's got.
I am.
I never calm down.
I am.
Calm down.
Do you agree to do field sobriety exercises?
You gotta do whatever you want to do.
No, I'm asking you a question. It's a
You
yes or
can
no.
do whatever you want to do.
Hey.
It's a yes or no question.
Yes.
Okay.
So yes.
You can do whatever you'd like to do.
Go with Deputy Cook.
H287 Charlie.
Everybody descend upon the vehicle.
Come on, Leanne. Come here.
That's the way it goes.
Tahoe right there, you're going to come talk to me in front of that, all right?
That's not mine, no.
I said that. You see that Tahoe?
No.
Despite warnings, she continues to raise her voice and display erratic behavior.
I'm not talking to you anywhere.
You're not doing what?
I'm not talking to you
Okay,
anywhere.
all right. So then you can talk to me right here, okay?
I'll talk to you right here
All right, cool.
and with him.
All right, listen. Hey, listen. Hey.
I can't feel.
Hey.
How am I supposed to know?
Hey, listen. Okay, that's fine.
Just calm down.
I'm trying.
Just calm down.
You have a ID on it?
No driver's license.
No driver's license at all.
But I got an ID, but I ain't got a driver's license.
Okay.
You can take me to jail right now. You can and legally take me to jail.
Hey, step back from him. Step
Hey,
back.
hey.
Step back.
You.
Step
Hey,
back.
stop it. He can take me wherever he would like.
Well, you're going to jail now.
That's fine.
Nope. You're
For
going to jail.
what?
Driving under the influence of alcohol.
Okay, great. Let's go. Let's do it.
Nope. Hey, you're not going to turn around on her like that.
I'm not doing nothing.
Stop resisting. Put your arms up.
I ain't resisting a mother.
Resisting.
You are locked. You are motherfuckers and you ain't fucking locked.
Let's go.
Yep. Hey, Jekyll and Charlie. Shock 05, Whiskey Fox 55.
You know it. You know it, Dan. I did not truck shit from you. Neither you. Y'all are f***ed up. You're f***ed up.
You want to get my face again?
F***ed up.
Get in the truck.
You're f***ed up. You're f***ed up. You're all f***ed up.
88.
You're percentage and you're f***ed up.
Yep, there's 88 on Leo.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Hey, man, you're hurting me.
Well, get in the car.
Go away and leave me alone. Go away. Leave me alone.
Do you need legs? H Jekyll and Charlie show 88 on Leo.
Now in the back seat, she's not calming down.
This shit, man. This shit. No. You. 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 Bitch. You. I hope your mama's real proud of what you do. You bitch. You.
Hey.
Leave me alone. Leave me the alone.
Ma'am, stop kicking the thing or we're going to have to...
You can't even kicking me.
Where'd you put the other flip flop?
I don't know where it went.
You slip those cuffs, it's gonna be a bad day for you.
I just want.
No, you're not coming out.
I just want.
You're going to jail.
Down.
You're going to jail.
You. I don't care. Listen, with that, calm down.
You're not coming out.
I just want.
You're going to jail.
Down.
You're going to jail.
You. I don't care. You motherfucker. Man, motherfucker, you just wait.
She was charged with felony resisting an officer with violence and battery on an officer. Thanks for sticking around. If you want more wild, real-life encounters, hit that subscribe button and drop a comment. Which meltdown shocked you the most?